Welcome to Unit 04, Data Types and Operators. This unit serves as the blueprint of code, covering the essential materials, tools, and safety protocols needed for algorithm construction. Constructing a digital machine involves three core concepts. First, the materials, or data types, define the raw components. Second, the tools, or operators, instruct the machine. Third, the result, expressions, combine both to evaluate a new value. C data types are categorized into primary and composite types. We will focus on the primary data types, which include void, char, int, float, and double. These are the atomic elements of C programming. Primary data types have specific material specifications, including size, format code, and a description. For example, int uses 2 bytes and stores integers, while float uses 4 bytes for single precision real numbers. Type modifiers allow us to customize capacity by altering the storage size and range. Short reduces storage, long increases it. Signed allows for positive and negative values, and unsigned restricts the range to positive magnitude only. Operators are the tools that instruct the machine to perform mathematical or logical manipulations. We classify them into arithmetic for calculation, relational for comparison, and logical for decision-making. Arithmetic operators include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and modulus. Be aware of the critical hazard of integer division, where the fractional part is discarded. Use a float operand for precision. Relational operators are the measuring tape for testing relationships between variables. These include greater than, less than, equal to, not equal, greater/equal, and less equal. The output is always a binary result, true or false. Logical operators facilitate combinational logic. And, represented by and, returns true only if both operands are true. OR returns true if at least one is true. Not reverses the state. Operator precedence establishes the strict hierarchy for evaluating expressions. Operators with higher priority are evaluated first. A good rule of thumb is to use parentheses to force the desired order. When precedence is equal, associativity acts as the tiebreaker, determining the direction of evaluation. Most arithmetic operators are left to right. Assignment and unary operators are right to left. When evaluating an expression, follow the order of operations determined by precedence and associativity. For the example shown, parentheses are first, followed by multiplication, division, addition, and assignment is last. To summarize, know your data types, respect the variable range to avoid overflow errors, watch out for integer division, and always follow the precedence protocol. A stable program relies on precise types and well-ordered logic.